This is touch screen, let me introduce it for you. 1. This is the needle delay. It means when this sensor's light is on, then after 0.05 second, the needle will be appeared. 2. After the needle is appeared, then next step is towing tape delay. 3. This is the towing tape delay, it shows 130 steps. It means after the needle is appeared, the bottom stop position which need to be fixed will be arrived the right position just needs 130 steps. 4. The next step is weld the bottom stop. You can see this is welding time, it shows 0.25 s. It means it needs 0.25 s to weld the bottom stop. 5. After welding, the bottom stop will be very soft, it needs time to harden. So you can see this one is curing time, it shows 1.5 s, means it takes 1.5 s to make the bottom stop hard. Finally you can see the result is very good.